Okay, so this is how I do my eyebrows. I do this every day because, as you can tell, I don't have a lot of eyebrow hair. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit darker just because I am going to be doing an eyeshadow look. So what I'm doing is I'm slowly starting to fill them out in the front, and I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Ash Brown. Then I like to go in with something a little darker. I'm going with the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. And then pretty convenient, comes with the gel and the brush together. It's pretty cool. I don't lose it, and I like to take my makeup everywhere. And I'm applying this in the middle of my brow, and I'm working it towards the end of my brow. And you just want to fill that in until you have it evenly covered. And then a trick that I like to use with my fingers, I like to drag the product down so that it gives me a pointier end. I don't know if that's necessarily a natural look, but I just really like how that comes out. It looks really nice and clean. Then after that, I'm going to go in with a spoolie. I'm going to blend everything together. And I start at the front because it's lighter, and I just work it towards the end, and it gives me that gradient effect. And you don't want to press too hard, because if you do, you're just going to end up removing product, and then it's going to look patchy, and you don't want that. And we're just going to go and fill out the other side. Then after that, we're going to go in with concealer. And then you just grab a flat brush, and then you apply the concealer on both sides of the brush. And then you just start cleaning up your brow. And you do it, I do it using light strokes. And then towards the end of my brow, I drag my brush down, because then it gives me a better control at the end of my brow. So it doesn't look like crazy straight. It just gives me a more natural look. And then the rest of the concealer I just drag down to my eyelid, because it helps me prep for the eyeshadow. And it gets rid of most of the primer or the concealer. So then I just go in with whatever's left on the brush and clean up the top of the brow. You don't want your brows to be so bright at the top, because then it just doesn't look natural. It just looks, your eyebrows will just pop out too much, and that's just not a natural look on eyebrows. As far as brush placement goes, you just gotta get used to it on how you place your brush. It's all about practice. I'm pretty sure I've gone out with pretty messed up brows before. It's just one of those things that you have to keep practicing. So then we just do the rest with the other side. Again, using a light strokes, and then pointing the brush down and cleaning at the end, and then with whatever's left. Now for the middle, again, it's just whatever's left on the brush. And then I drag some of that product into the brow so that it gives me a really nice blend into the brow. I don't know if that makes sense. But as you guys can tell, it's dragging some of the product in to the brow. And then to clean it up, we just grab the Mario Badescu spray, and then I just blend all that in with my sponge. And you just keep blending that in until all the concealer is well blended. And I like using a pointy sponge, just because it helps me get really, really close to the brow. And yeah, you just keep on blending until all the concealer is gone. So that's what they look like without any eyeshadow on. And then this is what they look like with an eyeshadow, with all my makeup done. By the way, this is a eyeshadow look that I'm going to be doing a video on next, so keep a lookout for that. So yeah, make sure you comment, like this video, and then I'll see you guys next time. Bye.